Have you ever pondered upon the peculiar world of mushrooms? A world that exists right under our feet, often unnoticed yet incredibly fascinating? These intriguing organisms are not plants, nor are they animals. They belong to their own kingdom, the fungi, a vast realm of nature that we're only beginning to understand. Mushrooms are an enigma, a riddle of nature that we've been trying to solve for centuries. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, each with its unique qualities. Some are edible and delicious, finding their way into our kitchens and onto our plates. Others possess medicinal properties used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, and now subject to modern scientific research. Then there are those that are toxic, even deadly, their vibrant colors serving as a warning to those who might mistake them for a meal. And let's not forget the psychedelic ones, those that can trigger profound changes in human consciousness and are now being studied for their potential therapeutic effects. Our curiosity about mushrooms isn't just because they're fascinating to look at or because they taste good. We're interested in them because they hold secrets that could potentially revolutionize our understanding of the natural world and our place within it. Mushrooms play crucial roles in the environment. They help decompose organic matter, turning dead plants and animals into fertile soil. They form symbiotic relationships with trees, helping them absorb water and nutrients. They can even break down pollutants, offering solutions for environmental cleanup. We're continually discovering new types of mushrooms, each with their unique traits and potential uses. As we delve deeper into the mysterious world of fungi, we're realizing that they could hold the keys to solving some of our most pressing challenges, from environmental conservation to human health. So why does this intriguing world of mushrooms matter? Because they're more than just a curiosity, they're a critical part of our world, a part that we're only just beginning to understand. Join us as we delve into the mysterious, complex, and strikingly beautiful world of mushrooms. The tale of mushrooms begins about 1 billion years ago, with their origins deeply rooted in the history of life on Earth. These captivating organisms have evolved from simple, single-celled ancestors into the diverse and complex species we know today. But their journey has been anything but straightforward. In the grand tapestry of life, mushrooms, or to be more precise, fungi, have spun their own unique thread. Unlike plants that harness sunlight for energy, fungi developed a different strategy. They became nature's decomposers, breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients back into the earth. This transformative role is crucial to the health and sustainability of our planet's ecosystems. Let's take a step back in time to around 500 million years ago, to the period known as the Cambrian explosion. This was a time when life on Earth underwent a rapid diversification, giving rise to a multitude of new species. Among them were the first fungi, primitive organisms that would eventually evolve into the mushrooms we're familiar with today. Over the course of millions of years, these early fungi adapted to a variety of environments, from the darkest depths of the forest to the highest mountain peaks. They developed a wide range of forms and functions, from the tiny yeasts used in baking and brewing to the towering mushrooms that rise from the forest floor. Throughout their evolutionary journey, mushrooms have developed some truly remarkable abilities. Some species form symbiotic relationships with plants, exchanging nutrients for sugars. Others produce toxins to fend off predators or release spores into the air to disperse their offspring far and wide. The complexity and diversity of mushrooms is a testament to the power of evolution, but their journey is far from over. As we continue to explore the mysteries of these fascinating organisms, we're discovering that they have much more to offer. From their role in maintaining healthy ecosystems to their potential use in medicine and technology, mushrooms are opening up new possibilities for the future. Mushrooms, a testament to the wonder of evolution, are more than what meets the eye. They are an integral part of our world, playing a key role in the cycle of life, death, and rebirth that sustains our planet. From a tiny spore to a fully grown organism, the life cycle of a mushroom is an intriguing natural phenomenon. Let's delve into this fascinating journey. It all begins with a minuscule mushroom spore. Often smaller than a dust particle, the spore is the seed of a mushroom. Carried by the wind, this tiny life form seeks out suitable conditions to germinate. When it finds a moist and nutrient-rich environment, the spore begins to grow, transforming into a thread-like structure known as a hypha. These hyphae are the building blocks of the mushroom kingdom. They extend and intertwine, forming an intricate network called mycelium. This mycelium, often hidden beneath the soil's surface, serves as the mushroom's root system. It absorbs nutrients from the environment, helping the mushroom to grow. But what about the part of the mushroom we're most familiar with? The cap, the stem, the gills, collectively known as the fruiting body. This is where the magic truly happens. As the mycelium matures, it starts to produce these fruiting bodies. They emerge from the ground, growing rapidly, often overnight. This sudden appearance is what gave mushrooms their enchanting reputation in folklore and fairy tales. Within the gills of the fruiting body, millions of new spores are produced. These are then released into the environment, ready to start their own journey of growth. This cycle from spore to fruiting body and back to spore is the life story of a mushroom. But what makes this process even more fascinating is its efficiency. Mushrooms are nature's recycling agents. They break down organic matter, transforming it into rich, fertile soil. In this way, they play a vital role in maintaining the health and balance of our ecosystem. The growth process of mushrooms, a marvel of nature, reflects the intricate balance and beauty of our ecosystem. So the next time you see a mushroom, remember the extraordinary journey it has undertaken, from a tiny spore to a fruiting body, and appreciate the crucial role it plays in our world. Have you wondered why certain mushrooms can induce psychedelic experiences? There's a captivating mystery behind these peculiar fungi that sends us on a trip to the far reaches of consciousness. The secret lies within the unique chemical compounds these mushrooms produce. The most notable among these compounds is psilocybin, a naturally occurring psychedelic prodrug. When consumed, it's converted in the body to psilocin, which is responsible for the hallucinogenic effects. Psilocybin's structure is similar to that of serotonin, a neurotransmitter involved in regulating mood, cognition, and perception. This resemblance allows psilocybin to bind to serotonin receptors in the brain, particularly the 5-HT2A receptor. This interaction leads to a cascade of neural activity, altering perception and mood, often resulting in profound, mystical-like experiences. It's interesting to note that not all psychedelic mushrooms contain psilocybin. Some, like the Amanita muscaria, contain muscimol, another potent psychoactive compound. Despite the different chemical structures, muscimol, like psilocybin, alters neural activity to induce hallucinogenic effects. The effects of these compounds can be quite variable, influenced by factors such as the individual's mindset, the environment, and the dosage. Some might experience vivid visual hallucinations, time distortions, or spiritual experiences. Others might encounter heightened emotions, introspection, or even distressing experiences. It's important to remember that while these experiences might be intriguing, they are not without risks. The improper use of psychedelic mushrooms can lead to adverse psychological effects, including anxiety, paranoia, and in rare cases, prolonged psychosis. As such, the use of these substances should be approached with caution, and ideally under the guidance of a knowledgeable professional. Recent years have seen a resurgence in scientific interest in these compounds, with research exploring their potential therapeutic uses. Studies suggest that psilocybin could be beneficial in treating conditions like depression and anxiety, particularly in cases resistant to conventional treatments. Psychedelic mushrooms, a gateway to altered states of consciousness, remain one of nature's most intriguing enigmas. The mystery of their effects continues to captivate us, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the mind and consciousness. Did you know that mushrooms can boost your health in myriad ways? Now let's delve into the realm of their health benefits, which are backed by a wealth of scientific research. Mushrooms are a nutritional powerhouse, teeming with essential vitamins and minerals. They're a rich source of vitamin D, a nutrient that's crucial for bone health and immunity, which most of us don't get enough of. And what's more, mushrooms are the only plant-based food that can provide this vital vitamin. They also pack a punch when it comes to dietary fiber, helping to maintain a healthy digestive system. Plus, they're low in calories and fat-free, making them a perfect addition to any weight-conscious diet. Now let's talk antioxidants. Mushrooms are chock full of these powerful compounds that help to combat oxidative stress in our bodies. Oxidative stress is a key player in the development of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. So by loading up on mushrooms, you're also loading up on these disease-fighting antioxidants. And speaking of fighting diseases, some varieties of mushrooms like the reishi and shiitake have been found to possess anti-cancer properties. They contain compounds that can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and boost the body's immune response against the disease. Scientists are still exploring these properties, but the potential is promising. Mushrooms also have a role to play in brain health. They contain two antioxidants, ergothioneine and glutathione, that may help protect the brain from damage associated with neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. But the benefits don't stop there. Mushrooms can also help manage diabetes, lower cholesterol, and even boost heart health. The list goes on, reinforcing the fact that these humble fungi are not to be underestimated. Mushrooms, nature's pharmacy, are a treasure trove of health benefits waiting to be tapped into. So the next time you're at the grocery store, why not add a variety of mushrooms to your basket? Your body will thank you. Ever heard of the chaga mushroom, the king of medicinal mushrooms? This dark, hardy fungus, which thrives on the bark of birch trees, is a veritable treasure trove of health benefits. Chaga mushrooms are renowned for their rich antioxidant content, which rivals that of other superfoods like blueberries and dark chocolate. These antioxidants can help combat oxidative stress, a key factor in many chronic diseases. But it doesn't stop there. Chaga is also a source of polysaccharides, compounds that support immune function and promote overall well-being. Interestingly, chaga mushrooms are not a tropical species. Instead, they prefer the cold climates of the northern hemisphere, flourishing in the birch forests of Russia, Korea, Eastern and Northern Europe, and northern parts of North America. This makes them a unique and hardy species in the vast kingdom of fungi. Growing chaga mushrooms, however, is not a simple backyard project. The cultivation of these medicinal mushrooms requires specific conditions, mimicking their natural habitat. It involves inoculating birch logs with chaga spores and waiting patiently for several years for the mushrooms to grow. For those of us without the time or patience, chaga can be sourced from reputable suppliers, often in the form of powders, extracts, or teas. Research into the benefits of chaga mushrooms continues to uncover its potential. Studies have suggested possible anti-cancer properties, while other research points to its potential in managing inflammation and improving cognitive function. However, it's important to remember that while chaga has many promising benefits, it should not be used as a substitute for medical treatment. It's also worth noting that chaga, like all mushrooms, should be cooked or processed before consumption. Raw chaga can be hard to digest, and its beneficial compounds are not as readily available to the body. So whether you're a seasoned mycologist or a curious newcomer to the world of medicinal mushrooms, the chaga mushroom is a fascinating specimen to explore. With its rich history, health benefits, and unique growth habits, it offers a glimpse into the diverse and powerful world of fungi. The chaga mushroom, a powerhouse of nutrients, is a testament to the healing power of nature. Why are mushrooms regaining popularity, and why does the world need them now more than ever? The answer to this lies in the remarkable versatility of these humble organisms. As we progress into the 21st century, mushrooms are stepping into the limelight, offering solutions to some of the most pressing challenges of our times. Let's start with food security. With a rapidly growing global population, the need for sustainable food sources has never been more urgent. Here's where mushrooms step in. They are a nutrient-dense food, rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals. They can be grown in a variety of environments, using waste materials like straw or wood chips, making them a sustainable food choice for the future. But their contribution doesn't stop at our dinner tables. Mushrooms are also playing a critical role in environmental sustainability. Certain species of fungi are known to break down pollutants and toxins, aiding in soil regeneration and creating healthier ecosystems. This remarkable process, known as mycoremediation, could be key in tackling pollution and waste management issues. Now let's talk about health. As we've discussed earlier, mushrooms are packed with nutrients, but they also have unique medicinal properties. Studies have shown that certain types of mushrooms can boost our immune system, lower blood pressure, and even have anti-cancer properties. This has led to a surge in interest from the scientific community and a renaissance in the use of mushrooms in natural medicine. Lastly, let's not forget their role in mental health. The therapeutic potential of psychedelic mushrooms is being explored with renewed interest, offering hope for conditions like depression and post-traumatic stress disorder. In all these ways and more, mushrooms are stepping up to the plate, ready to play a vital role in our future. They're not just a food source or a medicinal resource. They're environmental heroes, and they're revolutionizing the way we think about nature's potential. Mushrooms, in their silent and unassuming way, are revolutionizing the world as we know it. So what does the story of mushrooms mean to you? As we weave together the threads of this marvelous tale, we find that mushrooms are more than just a food source or a scientific curiosity. They're a living testament to the intricate web of life that connects us all. From their humble beginnings in the soil to their growth into a myriad of shapes and sizes, to their role in health and wellness, mushrooms have shown us how deeply interconnected they are with our world and our lives. Whether it's the mind-altering properties of psychedelic mushrooms or the health-boosting benefits of the chaga mushroom, these fungal wonders continually challenge our understanding and inspire our curiosity. As we conclude our journey, let's carry forward this sense of awe and appreciation for these remarkable organisms. As we journey through life, may we never lose our sense of wonder and curiosity about the world around us, especially about the fascinating world of mushrooms.